So the project is called Elemental Ornamental, and it really seeks to combine two fairly disparate processes. One is additive manufacturing for ceramics or 3D printing of clay, and the other is casting for architectural customized metal components.
This technique of using clay molds to cast metal parts, while this is an investment casting process, combining it with robotic printing has really opened up a space for custom geometries and parts that would otherwise require huge expenses in tooling and manufacturing.